All right. So here we have Industrial Park Drive, railroad crossing near Paintsville, Kentucky. Here at the first signal, right here. It has a gate. It's a gate mass. It has a. Oh, let me turn around. There we go. It has a safe train base, safe train gate mechanism. You have a CSX emergency information. The dot number is 227152C. Lights are safe train top by 24-inch lights from with Leotech EV series LEDs in them from incandescent light. You have Rico LED gate lights up top, and finding the bell is Western Glen Hayes mechanical bell. So yeah. Over here we have a second signal. Now, right over here we have another safe train base, which is really old Primus Mass, oddly enough. And here you have another safe train gate mechanism. You have another safe train top by 24-inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs. And we have Rico LED gate lights. Over here is the relay case. The reason why I had to video this today, there's a train traffic light right down there. So there's no abandoned crossing anywhere. So yeah. Here we have Industrial Park Drive railroad crossing at near Paintsville, Kentucky. Over and out.